Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and for this video I will bring you here inside the last unit, 3-bedroom rental here in the Island Hotel and Residences. This is the last 3-bedroom that we have because the other one, which is the other unit beside this one, is already rented by one of our clients. So this is a 3-bedroom unit, and you have this unit is furnished with beds and sofa, TV, and dining set, refrigerator, gas range, and air cons. And the good thing with this rental apartment, because we are giving you a services, hotel-like services, every once a week we give you free cleaning in your unit, and we also have regular pest control because that's one of the concerns of our tenant coming from other places, that the place that having cockroach and rats. But here we are doing the best to do that pest control regularly. And this is the first bedroom of the unit. This is the first bedroom, and this is the common toilet and bathroom. That is the kitchen area, and we will go to the main bedroom of this rental apartment here in TEC, here in Island Hotel and Residences. This is the main bedroom of the unit. That's the bed area, and this is your bathroom and your cabinets for the closet, and your door connecting to your balcony with a view of, this is your balcony, and with a view of the Cebu 80 Park at the back, Cebu 80 Park, and in the front is Mandawi City area, and that's the Cebu City area, Babolo. So that's the small balcony of the 3-bedroom apartment here in Island Hotel Residences. We have other, this building here, the TEC is the old building. We have the new building, which is the AHR. However, we have concerns because after the typhoon, the Kimonda transferred, get a unit here, and they rent in the AHR. And this is the 3rd bedroom of the unit. The 3rd bedroom without balcony and without comfort room, and with one small bed. So this particular unit is located on the 5th floor of the TEC building. And for the amenities offer that we can give you is, as I mentioned, we are giving you once a week free cleaning of your mattresses and pillows and your curtains. And for your dress, we also offer laundry services. That's 65 pesos per kilo. And this is the second small balcony here. So you have two balconies. You have 2 comfort room and 3 bedrooms. And and I will show you your dining. So for the lobby, so this place is very quiet, clean, spacious, and secured, because we have guards 24/7. All day, all weeks, we have security guards here, CCTV, and it's very walking distance going to, you can walk via detour going to Cebu 80 Park, and you can also walk going to Cebu Business Park if the weather is not that sunny. And other thing is, if you have other concern while you are staying in the unit, this accommodation is really friendly, and we can cater your concerns, any concerns that you have, as long as it's connected with the unit. And for now, I want to tour you. I will turn the camera so that I will give you the total view of these 3 bedrooms. So we have also 2 bedrooms, however, now 2 bedrooms is not available. And we have 2 bedrooms on the new building, the AHR, which is, I have video of that. You can check on my YouTube channel so that you can see the 2 bedrooms. So this has been me again, Mark. Thank you so much for viewing my video. And if you are really looking for a rental here in Cebu City, just message me. My WhatsApp number is 0935-738-5814, and my Viber is 0905-2828-738, and my email is markanthonydavid697@gmail.com. That's one word. And my Telegram is 0905-738-5814. Thank you so much, and I will tour now the camera so that I will bring you around, including the hallway. And for the details, for the rates, I forgot to mention, for the rates, we are open here for the 6 months contract, 1 year contract. But however, if you want to save, I suggest you to get the 1 year contract, because 1 year contract is much lesser compared to the 6 months contract. And 2 months security deposit and 1 month advance. 2 months security deposit is refundable upon the end of your contract, and the 1 month advance is deductible on the last month of your stay here in Island Hotel and Residences. And for the rates, I don't want to put the exact rates right now. Instead, I will put it on the details of this video below, and I will put there the rates, and then you can contact me. My contact number provided on the details description. Thank you. I will turn now the camera. That's the exit, fire exit, and another fire exit, and this is the elevator. And before, this is open, but we close this one. And this is the unit. So as we enter, we have telephone services. You can connect to the concierge by dialing 0, and you have your sofa, center table, TV, and aircon, window type, refrigerator, water dispenser, gas range, and this is the common toilet and bathroom with shower and dining table, 6-seater dining table, and your master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Master's bedroom with split type aircon. Master's bedroom with split type aircon there, and balcony, and comfort room, CR. And this is the balcony of the master's bedroom. This is not so big balcony, and that's the view that you can check with this unit. Partly you can see the Cebu IT Park from here. That's Cebu IT Park. And this is the unit. Let's go to the other 2 units. This is the main bedroom, and let's go to the regular bedroom. The kitchen, living and dining area. And this is the regular bedroom. Regular bedroom with aircon. This one has an aircon, still window type aircon, and your small balcony. The same view with the balcony of the master's bedroom. And that's it. This is the 2-bedroom unit here in Island and Residences, the TEC building. Thank you so much. Thank you. You can subscribe, share my video, and you can thumbs up on the comment section. You can leave a comment, suggestion on this video. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye bye. lastly, I forgot the small bedroom. This is the third bedroom, which is small. This is the third bedroom. Yeah, that's it. That's for our video here.